Now, the
everybody, welcome
last
to the
crystal that
channel,
is
and a soul
required
namaste
while
to
doing
all
your
of
tarot
you.
readings is a
Hope you
rose
are
quartz.
enjoying the videos that
Now,
are being
this is a
put
pink
on
color
the channel.
stone, resonates to our
And
heart chakra.
आज हम बात करने वाले
ये
हैं
हमारे हार्ट चक्र को ओपन करता
crystals
है.
to use,
Now, when we are dealing with
crystals to
clients,
keep,
लोगों को बहुत
and
अलग अलग
to
तरीके की
enhance your
प्रॉब्लम्स
tarot
होती हैं that they
readings
are
जब आप
going
tarot
through.
readings कर रहे
The
हो
phases
तो कौन से
are
ऐसे crystals
certainly
हैं
very
that can
tough at
help you
times for them
enhance your
to
readings.
deal with.
So
And
first things first,
equally
what
for us
happens
as
is
well,
when
because
you are
क्या
just
होता है
starting dabbling
to give a
in your
compassionate
tarot
ear to your client is
readings, तो
extremely
क्या होता है
extremely
कि
important
you
to be a
feel a
good
lot
listener as well.
disoriented अगर
So
आपके पास
I would
किसी
say that rose
question की
quartz
कोई
help
clarity
with
आपको नहीं मिल पाती है,
developing that
and when there are
compassion for
cards जो कि बिल्कुल ही
compassion in your mind for the other
they are giving
person.
you opposite
तो
kind
that is
of
what rose quartz help
guidance
with.
is.
यहाँ
तो
पे
आपको
हमको
ऐसा
rose
फील
quartz
होता है कि
also helps
आपकी
with
रीडिंग जो है वो बिल्कुल
emotional
totally
balance create
abrupt
करने
जा
में,
रही है,
जहाँ पे आप
कोई
बहुत
कार्ड
ज़्यादा
किसी से
drawn
मैच
out
नहीं
भी
कर
ना
रहा,
हो जाओ.
and you're not
Again,
able to give
with the
out a
help
better
of black
reading to the
tourmaline आपको
client.
ground करेगा
Also
कि आप बिल्कुल ही
there can be
sway away ना हो जाओ and
circumstances
being an
जहाँ पे
empath reader
आप
बहुत
कनेक्ट ही
लोगों
नहीं
के
कर
साथ
पाते हो
होता है
एक कार्ड को दूसरे के
कि
साथ,
आप उन्हीं की एम्पैथी में डूब
उन
गए and you're
सब
not able to
जगहों
tell
के
कि
लिए
and then what should be
there
the
can
correct
be
course
times
of
जहाँ
action
पे
for
आपके
them
clients ही बहुत
to
ज़्यादा
take.
फंसी होते
तो
हैं, and then
that is how
that
these
they're not ready
combinations
to
work.
listen to
And
the guidance that has
apart
been
from
given
that
by the
also,
cards. तो उनको ऐसा लगता है
lapis
कि
के साथ
no,
now
we are looking for a very
somebody
specific
would think कि
kind
lapis
of
के जहाँ हम एक
answers.
तरफ lapis
तो
की
जब
बात
तक
कर रहे
हमें
हैं
वो
of
मिलेंगे नहीं
about
तो
speaking
please
our
keep on
truth,
pulling the
and
cards.
then we are talking
Although
about
all this
calmer
is a
crystal
very wrong way
जो
to
कि है rose quartz,
to give readings to the
why
client,
both of them
and you should
are
never do
being
that.
worked out at
But
together. तो वो
there can
इसलिए
be
होता है
certain
कि
crystals जो हमको help करते
yes,
हैं
your
to
truth
enhance
is
our
required,
readings.
yes, and
So
effective
we'll
communication
talk
is
about it
required,
one
and
by
you need
one.
to put
We are going to
your
talk about 5 such
thoughts very
crystals today.
firmly. So the first in line is a clear quartz. If you can see, this is a clear quartz. ये क्या करता है? Now this is a very small one but works very beautifully. क्लियर कॉर्ड्स का काम होता है टू एनहांस योर इंटेंशंस. आपका माइंड को क्लियर करके आपको एक क्लैरिटी देता है एंड एनहांस करता है आपके इंटेंशंस को. सो व्हाट आई डू इज़ व्हेन आई स्प्रेड माय कार्ड्स, I keep this by the side of the cards, and I keep a clear intention before doing the spread. Before the client is there, so I keep a clear intent that whatever needs to flow through me as a medium should be clear to the client. मतलब कि should be clear to the client, as in they should get whatever they are ready to accept at this point in time. वो जिस चीज़ के साथ भी whatever they are ready to hear, that should flow through me, and whatever is necessary for them basically. तो ये बहुत clear intent होता है कि whatever is necessary for them to hear in this time and space, that should flow through the channel. And this is how clear quartz help you. बहुत ही clear intent create करता है आपके लिए, and then to enhance that clarity, to enhance that intention is what the clear quartz does. Now moving on to the next one is एन एमेथीस्ट. एमेथीस्ट सबसे बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. मतलब ये तो बहुत ही बेसिक ऐसा क्रिस्टल है तो जो हर किसी के पास होना ही होना चाहिए व्हेन यू आर डूइंग रीडिंग्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. सो एमेथीस्ट, अगेन दिस इज़ अ बॉल ऑफ एमेथीस्ट दैट यू कैन सी. एमेथीस्ट अगेन आपकी इंट्यूशंस को एनहांस करता है. जब भी हम किसी को रीडिंग्स दे रहे हैं तो व्हाट इट डज इज़ कि आपके लिए आपके इंट्यूशंस को एनहांस करके इट विल ब्रिंग आउट बेटर आंसर्स. एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज दिस इज़ नोन एज द मास्टर हीलर. तो व्हाट इट डज फॉर यू इज़ आई बेसिकली, मतलब मैं ऐसी इंटेंट दे के अपने एमेथीस्ट को हमेशा वेयर करती हूँ that whatever negativity is being thrown at me, knowingly or unknowingly, so that is being dispersed at the same time. So nothing can be interfering with the aura, is what I would like to tell you. So that is how an amethyst works while doing your tarot readings. आपको clarity again बहुत अच्छी आती है because आपकी intuitions जितनी enhance होंगी उतना आपके लिए amethyst work करेगा. Now the third crystal that's really important is a lapis lazuli. Okay, this you can see, this is a tumble of lapis. Lapis क्या करता है? Lapis देता है हमको clarity of your thought and your ability to speak the truth. So lapis जो होता है वो हमारे throat chakra से connected होता है. And when we are talking about throat chakra, it is about how effectively you can communicate your thoughts. तो for me lapis is utmost important while doing a reading, and इसको मैं ज़रूर रखती हूँ by my table side. Now what it does is कि you know what happens is, again certain clients जो कि नहीं ready हैं आपकी बात सुनने के लिए, and you know they're wanting certain answers and they'll force you to you know pick certain cards again and again कि उनको जब तक वो आंसर मिल ही नहीं रहा whatever they are expecting out. तो that is one scenario that happens. लेकिन by when you have lapis by your side, no, तो you have that ability कि जहाँ पे आप कह दोगे कि you know no, this is it, and you have to hold space for it even if you are not ready to accept it. That is what the energies are telling as of now. तो उस चीज़ में lapis बहुत help करता है आपको. It gives you that ability to tell that you know this is right and this is not to be done as of now. So the ability to speak your truth, lapis gives you that. Lapis gives you better communication, and that is why it is very necessary while you are doing your tarot readings to keep lapis by your side या फिर अपने deck के ऊपर रखना. Last I would say is using again a black tourmaline. I prefer using it as a bracelet. तो ब्लैक टर्मिलिन अगेन आपको ग्राउंडिंग एनर्जीज देता है, आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा यू नो जो भी आपके ऊपर हिट कर रही होती है एनर्जीज को उनको अब्जॉर्ब भी करता है, एंड देन इट क्रिएट्स अ काइंड ऑफ शील्ड अराउंड यू. ब्लैक टर्मिलिन का मेजर वर्क इज़ दैट वट एवर नेगेटिविटी इज बीइंग थ्रोन एट यू, या यू नो वट एवर थॉट्स आर बीइंग गिवन टू यू, तो वो उन थॉट्स को ब्लॉक करके आपके आसपास एक साइकिक लेयर क्रिएट कर देता है जहाँ पे यू नो द अदर पर्सन और द थॉट्स कैन नॉट इम्पैक्ट यू दैट बैड. तो दैट इज़ द वर्क फॉर ब्लैक टर्मिलिन. आपको ग्राउंड रखता है, एंकर करता है आपको अर्थ एनर्जीज के साथ. दैट इज़ द मेजर वर्क फॉर ब्लैक टर्मिलिन. सो दीज वर द 4 major crystals. Now moving on. Now the last crystal that is required while doing your tarot readings is a rose quartz. Now this is a pink color stone, resonates to our heart chakra. ये हमारे heart chakra को open करता है. Now when we are dealing with clients, लोगों को बहुत अलग अलग तरीके की problems होती हैं that they are going through. The phases are certainly very tough at times for them to deal with, and you know equally for us as well, because क्या होता है to give a compassionate ear to your client is extremely important, to be a good listener as well. So I would say that you know rose quartz help with developing that compassion for compassion in your mind for the other person. तो दैट इज़ वॉट रोज क्वार्ट्स हेल्प विद. यहाँ पे हमको रोज क्वार्ट्स ऑल्सो हेल्प्स विद यू नो इमोशनल बैलेंस क्रिएट करने में, जहाँ पे आप बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राउन आउट भी ना हो जाओ. अगेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्लैक टर्मिलिन आपको ग्राउंड करेगा कि आप बिल्कुल ही यू नो स्वे अवे ना हो जाओ. एंड बीइंग एन एम्पैथ रीडर बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है कि आप उन्हीं की एम्पैथी में डूब गए एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू टेल कि यू नो what should be the correct course of action for them to take. So that is how these combinations work. And apart from that also lapis के साथ now you know somebody would think कि lapis के जहाँ हम एक तरफ lapis की बात कर रहे हैं of about you know speaking our truth, and then we are talking about a calmer crystal जो कि है rose quartz. Why both of them are being worked out at together? तो वो इसलिए होता है कि you know yes your truth is required, yes an effective communication is required, and you need to put your thoughts very firmly to your client. लेकिन रोज़ क्वार्ट्स आपको एक कंपैशनेट ईयर देता है, जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी होता है व्हेन यू आर डीलिंग विद योर क्लाइंट्स. So that would be about it. These are the five major crystals that you should have while doing your tarot readings, and it will definitely, once you start using these, आपकी tarot readings definitely enhance होंगी. And please let us know, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.